Hey folks, still warm across the valley today. Temperatures over 90 in the western half of the valley, upper 80s in the east, and a little cooler at the coast. 86 Port Isabel, just checked on the island, 84 degrees there, so certainly cooler at the island. 89 in Brownsville at this hour under partly sunny skies. Look at the dew points. Boy, they are back up in the 70s and along the coast, 60s in the middle part of the valley. We'll put that average of about 70 on the muggy meter, so we're definitely getting up into that very humid category and likely going to stay there for another maybe 48 hours or so until that next front gets here. Our low temperatures tonight, if you're headed out this evening, as mentioned before the break, you're not going to need a jacket. It's going to be very mild. Temperatures by morning, no cooler than the low to mid 70s and warmer than that on the beach. And then tomorrow, after starting in the 70s, that'll be where we are at daybreak. Middle of the afternoon, we're back in the 90s again. So a very warm day across the area with partly to mostly sunny skies again. The beach, as always, a little cooler, about 85 tomorrow afternoon at South Padre Island. 87 is the norm for this time of year, and by Monday we should be back down to that. You can see the front not going to dramatically cool the daytime temperatures, but it will cool off the nighttime readings. That means the air is going to dry out. Lower humidity will come back in starting Sunday afternoon with that front. Now, satellite right now doesn't show a whole lot happening, just patchy clouds overhead, not a lot, but watch what happens. Overnight tonight, we stay mainly clear, a little bit of cloudiness near the coast, and during the daytime tomorrow, just partly to mostly sunny again. So it looks like another nice day, albeit a little bit humid. Tomorrow night, pretty quiet as well. No issues during the evening hours. But as you get into Sunday, here comes our front. Middle of the afternoon, looks like that front will come in. Likely it'll trigger spotty showers. Maybe not everybody gets rained on. A few folks will. Could be an isolated thunder shower embedded within those showers, but then the front goes through and the drier air builds in pretty quickly. And by Monday morning, we're clear, and by Monday afternoon, we are mostly sunny once again, but with lower humidity, courtesy of that front and a change in air mass from the warm, humid air mass that's here now to a slightly cooler and much drier air mass that'll be here starting Sunday night. Your rain chance at about 30% for the second half of the day on Sunday with the front, and then we dry out behind it. Monday, we should be dry across the area. Here's the rest of Texas, and we're picking up patchy clouds across the state, but no major weather makers in the state right now. Our cool front racing southward. It's in the state by tomorrow, and it's in our neighborhood by Sunday. Notice most of the rain is north of us, but a couple of showers could reach as far south as we are. But by Monday, that action's gone. The dry air builds in, and it looks pretty nice. Looks really nice for the early part of next week. Travel plans, take a look. If you're going somewhere in Texas tomorrow, 70 in San Antonio in the morning, Dallas is 69, Houston is 73. By afternoon, most of the state bounces back into the 80s. So for tonight, partly cloudy and warm, a low of 73, southeast winds at about 6 to 12. Tomorrow, back up to 91, plenty of sunshine, warm and humid. The southeasterly winds continue. Here we go, 91, 91. Monday behind the front, a high of 87. It's not a big drop, but look at the drop in the nighttime low from 73 to 60. That's where you really feel it, and 56 by Tuesday morning. So while we bounce back into the 80s during the day, we have cool nights. Second push of cool air comes in on Wednesday, drops temperatures just a little bit more. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.